AI didn't replace your team. It exposed how inefficient your processes already were. You added tools. You automated steps. You hired consultants. Everything still depends on people remembering what to do next. That's not scale, that's fragility. Most businesses don't have an AI problem. They have a decision latency problem. Leads wait. Tickets wait. Approvals wait. Revenue waits. Revino doesn't automate actions. We automate decisions. Who should this lead go to? When should follow-ups stop? When should humans step in? AI handles the decision layer. Humans handle judgment. This only works if you deeply understand operations, incentives, and failure points. That's why most agencies can't do it. They sell integrations. We engineer operating system. If your business still stalls between steps, you don't need more tools. You need better decision automation. Revino exists for that.